I'm going to show you the super fast infrared hair dryer that I got. I really like it. It has a nice little attachment so I can go ahead and hang it up. Now the cord is got its own reset on it, which I'm going to plug in because I'm going to show you how easy this works. And it's easier for me to even use it in one hand. I've got a brace on my hand. I broke my wrist and I can still use it easily. Uh, Now I like the infrared technology. It's got your own buttons to adjust the infrared heat and the speed of the hair dryer. It's got a cooling button here too. Now it comes with your diffuser, which is really nice. You just pop it off and screw it on. It's very easy. You've got your concentrating attachment, and you also got your nice little straightening attachment, which is really well. But I wanted to show you how well this works and how fast. I mean, it's just remarkable. I went ahead and washed my hair a little bit ago. It's wet. I'm going to go ahead and press my button down here. The reset. Oops, sorry. Hit the wrong one. But see, that's low, medium, high. You can see the infrared inside. I just wanted you to see that. I'm going to show you how well it works. Really quickly. Set this down. Of course, it needs brushed out, but I'm telling you, look how quickly that my hair is dried. I can go ahead and move on to styling. So, you see how fast this works. It made claims that it worked really fast in just a short amount of time. And they're right, it does. So go ahead and hit that buy button. What they're saying is true. Thanks.